Hey guys, KG7YTS here with another video for you. I know it's been a while since I posted it, but I figured what a better video than an unboxing video of some brand new ham radio gear. And shout out to hamcrazy.com for doing an amazing job on the call sign nameplate I ordered. So, obviously now you know with the whole FCC issues, these can be a very taboo subject because some interpret them as completely illegal to use and some just say they're completely illegal to buy. But anyway, now that I actually have a job, I was able to afford myself a decent mobile ham radio. Of course, I'm not going to be using it mobile, I'm going to be using it in my ham shack. So let's just do a quick unboxing and see what's inside. Now, just a warning, this is open box from Gigapart, so it's not going to be shiny brand new. So, let's lift that up. Let's just focus. That's just instruction manuals, warranty information. We can look into that later. So on the side, let's see what's in here. Ah, yes. The keypad mic. Let's take it out of the plastic so I can feel it. Oops. There we go. So yeah, I can already tell this has a nice build quality to it. It's really nice. So as you can see by the packaging, it's obviously the Kenwood TM-281A. And then right here we've got ourselves a mic clip. And got ourselves the power cord. Pretty hefty gauge wire. Anything else in there? It appears so. Let's see, got a fuse here. Hardware here. Ah, here we go. There's another mic club. That's actually going to work with the microphone better. Because this one is more designed for those cheap Chinese mobile radios. Or even some ICOMs that have the little loop that you hook it onto. So let's see if we can get this out the rest of the way. Probably going to have to open it up a bit more. I have to wait till the other part of the box is open, so let's go ahead and do that now. So we can see there's one of the inline fuses towards the radio end. That other one has an inline fuse as well, like the power cable. So that way you've got good double fuses. Now, here is the pièce de résistance, as some say, the Kenwood TM-281A. So, let's take it out of the box real quick, or out of the packaging. Gonna do that off camera. There we go, there it is. It is a beauty. Got a nice ink. Got the power cable right there. Speaker jack right there. SO239 connector right there. this definitely has a good weight to it. I like it. Definitely gives me some vibes of a Civil Air Patrol E.F. Johnson. I like the feel of it. I like the front-facing speaker. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and set that to the side so we can get that one last item out. And there we go. The mounting. Alright, thanks for watching. This has been KG7YTS, and I'll catch you in the next one.